Hi, we're part of Team 218 and this is our submission for the AEP Hackathon Challenge.
We'll start by describing our unique approach to the problem.
The first step was to establish keywords that could help identify exposures as low, medium, and high risk situations. Then we fed these keywords into an embedding model using Facebook AI similarity search to develop a model that could characterize any observation into a low, medium, or high risk bucket. But if we want to gain deeper insights, we might want to categorize other things other than just risk. To do this, we can just repeat a similar process, but with different keywords and bucket labels. For example, we can categorize each observation on its type of hazard, either electrical, traffic, or a falling hazard. Now, we can put all this work together to categorize each observation on 3 different levels simultaneously. The resulting data was hosted in SQLite Studio to create a data pipeline into Power BI.
Here, I have 2 dashboards built through Power BI using AEP brand colors supported through a data pipeline from SQLite Studio as pointed out earlier. To jump right in, an admin may want to see the highest risk observations that fall under the PPE category related to falling hazards. On the database in the Overview tab, we can use the decomposition tree to expand the total observations and see how many of the observations fall under the category we're interested in. PPE, falling hazards. Going over to the left, we can see a sorted list of high-risk incidents. We can see that the highest ranked incidence is when there was no handrails and an individual was directly at risk of injuring themselves.
Another key insight that an admin might want to know is how often they're getting follow-ups on certain incidences. Here, we can select a certain type of hazard and see how the follow-up rates change by risk. Here, we can see that 539 times out of 3,665 times, the high-risk falling hazard incidences had a follow-up.
Going back over on the Overview tab, there's other things you can filter such as observation count over time and other graphs you can look at based solely just on high, low, or medium risk. But this is all the data analysis you can do based on the 20,000 observations given to us about past. But what if someone on the field wants to input a new observation?
To take it one step further, we imagine ourselves in the shoes of an AEP worker in the field. We developed a basic cross-platform app that can be used by workers to report incidents in real time.
Model predicts that it's a high-risk incident.
To resolve the issue of the lack of pre-classification of data, we implemented the ability for the worker to agree or disagree with the result outputted by the model.
I definitely think this is a high-risk incident.